time for another episode of The Secret Agent that only has one thing on his mind, doggy treats. Another tough puppy is next, right here on Nicktoons.
Nicktoons will be right back. Now back to more Nicktoons.
I really hate doing this. Not because it hurts you, but because my shoulders are dislocated!
I know you're not gonna believe this, but the chameleon poisoned these cupcakes!
Oh, come on. At least make up a new lie this time.
It's not a lie, and I will prove it to you! Didn't think this through!
Nice try, Dudley. Dudley?
What happened?
You ate a poisoned cupcake to save me! For real this time! Luckily, you were in the hospital, so they were able to save you. By the way, thank you.
So you're not mad at me?
Well, I'm a little upset because I thought this was a private room. But if there's anyone I have to share a hospital room with, I'm glad it's you.
Chameleon's under arrest for trying to poison me.
And me!
No, I was the only target. It's not always about you, kitty, okay?
Wait a minute! Agent Puppy, you're still alive?
Nicktoons will be right back. Now back to more Nicktoons.